Look around you. It's there. It's been derived, developed, and brought into existence. You use it, you need it, and you live with it. Ask a question. How did it get there? A cure, a relief, and the power to run this world. All of them. How did you get them? It's the output of a single activity. Research. Researchers are the real rock stars. They are the crazy ones, the rebels, and the distinguished. They stood against everything. They didn't care about the status, awards, or rewards. They were just curious, and they wanted to disrupt.
Researchers are the reason for the luxuries that we enjoy today. They are the reason for the way how we live. They spend huge amount of time, resources, and efforts in bringing their ideas into existence. But the way they are communicating right now, how they are discovering the data, or how they are disseminating their knowledge, is taking so much of unnecessary time and efforts. This can be changed. This is our focus, to make things simpler, easier, and efficient. With machine learning, natural language processing, and neural networking technologies, we are building a platform with advanced AI backing it.
Invenzone is the most focused vertical social network and search platform for researchers. Discovering the right data is taking huge time. There is so much of unorganized data which is floating around. We are trying to simplify the scientific data, making things simpler to discover, understand, and to track. Contextual and conceptual semantics are the core pillars of this search. We are taking a step ahead with our Spark and predictive search. Finding a solution to the complex questions is easy and simple.
We are trying to connect all these great minds of our time and giving them access to data which is being constantly generated around us. In a way, bringing them closer, sharing knowledge, and inspiring free flow of ideas. It's about delivering a platform which addresses every need, every problem a researcher has ever faced.
There are so many things to show, so much of technology being built in the backend. But showing the right thing and making it simple to use and organize is a formidable task.
We have team meetings where we discuss about what has to be implemented, and pitch sessions where they can come up with their own idea. If it is good enough, they can lead the project. By this way, they are more responsible, more focused, and we can get the best out of them.
It's a free environment where we learn and apply that knowledge instantly. Everyone is so energetic, hardworking, and focused.
Things happen incredibly fast. We think, we decide, and we implement. There is no wastage of time.
Everyone has his own style of writing code and completing the task. We research to structure the huge data we have and then present in a way that makes sense to the user.
We achieve targets in small steps at a fast pace, accomplishing bigger goals sooner than expected. And that is why we have been able to grow so much, so fast.
Invenzone gives us the freedom to think and implement beyond the borders, which makes the process enjoyable.
Each and every one of our employees represent the spirit of our company, driven, committed, and acutely aware of how limitless Invenzone's potential to grow. We go to great lengths to identify people with diverse experience and skill set to produce not just an effective workforce, but a well-rounded, talented, and complementary team.
We wanted to bring the next level advancements at a much faster pace than what it is happening right now.
It's big what we are aiming to do. We are helping the people who created and crafted this world. And we wanted to make this happen at a much faster rate.
Invenzone allows you to experiment and implement your own ideas, and that makes you feel like an important part of the organization.
We work, we argue, we have fun. We respect each other. It just feels like one family.
A family I'm glad I'm a part of.
We have had an amazing journey to where we are today, and now we feel confident that we can provide you an effective solution to cover all your research needs, so that your only concern is to expand the research.
Still, every day, we ask ourselves a question. Is this enough? For a mission being so important, are we doing enough? Constantly revamping the answer to that question drives us to work. We are dedicated to make it happen. The mission is so big and so huge, there is no excuse.